Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Storage of farm produce. Storage is the process of keeping agricultural products for future use as food, raw materials, fuel, or for sale. Inadequate storage is one of the serious problems facing agriculture. Most agricultural products are seasonal and perishable. After producing crops and livestock products, the farmer sets some aside for family consumption, sells some, and keeps some for future use. It is necessary to keep the produce in a form as near as possible to its original state. Storage helps to ensure that food is available all through the year at affordable prices. It helps to ensure that seeds needed for subsequent planting are stored in a viable condition. It helps to preserve the harvested products from loss of quality and poor sales. It helps to enable the farmer take advantage of a higher price during the off-season and also make profits. A farmer who has good storage structures in his farm can afford to cultivate more land. Storage also helps to make certain food crops available all through the year. There are certain factors that affect storage. They include the quality of the produce to be stored, the moisture content, the relative humidity, and temperature. The produce to be stored should be in good form, free from bruises and blemishes. Grains should be properly mature, shelled whole and dry so that they can keep well in storage. Tubers and roots are also stored well when not wounded, that's when not tied. Fresh fruits like mango, orange, banana and pineapple should be quite mature but not too ripe before storage, and they can only be stored for short periods. The moisture content. Most crop produce are more prone to spoilage when their moisture content is high. They are easily affected by molds and bacteria under such conditions. Grains to be stored should have a moisture content of between 10 to 14%. Fruits and vegetables must be stored in a state of high moisture content, so drying or storing form depends on the produce. Relative humidity. The environment in which a produce is stored must be dry enough to maintain the moisture content of the stored product. If agricultural products are stored in a wet environment, they get soaked, and this may lead to spoilage by fungi, bacteria, and insects. Sometimes, seeds under storage germinate or sprout when conditions are relatively humid. Temperature. Some farm products need to be stored under very low temperatures to preserve their food value. Meat and fish require cold storage at a temperature of 0 degrees centigrade, while fresh fruits and vegetables require 5 degrees centigrade to 10 degrees centigrade. Plant products most times deteriorate very fast at very high and very low temperatures. Grains like maize are first dried at a high temperature of about 35 degrees centigrade before spoilage. There are different agents of crop losses after harvest. They include the rodents, insects, molds, and bacteria. Rodents include rats, and they can be controlled by trapping and use of rodenticides. Insects include weevils, beetles, etc., and they are controlled with insecticides. Molds and bacteria. High moisture content opens agricultural products to attack by molds and bacteria, which destroy the food value of the crops. There are different methods of storage. They include barns, cribs, the rumbles, the silos, the bin storage, through bagging, cold storage, canning, baskets, gourds and jerry cans, underground pits, underground silos, and packaging. All these, I believe, we've discussed in previous chapters.